2nd of June 2021. This is very beautiful. Looks like an before upgrade originally built in 1924. Yeah, it was probably modernized in the 1950s. But still very beautiful. The capacity is 3 burgers of 240 grams. It was built in replaced in 1952.
Yeah.
So, but originally built in 1924.
Yeah.
And it's turning 70 years old in next year, 2022. In this year, 2021. This year number is H4943. Still beautiful.
Yeah.
Because these doors are original.
Yeah.
There's been an elevator before 1952 also.
Yeah.
Or even 3 staircases here. Not sure if this is the oldest elevator in Kuopio, the original.
Yeah.
Not sure, but one of the oldest it is, of course.
Yeah.
And it's definitely the oldest building in Kuopio with an elevator.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't think there is any older building with an elevator than 1924 here.
Yeah.
And I'll check on the call button.
Yeah.
It's the same. Thought they would have this original, but
Yeah.
they could have preserved it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And hopefully, the next time we'll get into STC here.
Yeah.
This light is a bit weird.
Yeah.
And we have to turn on the lights. This
That's-
sign is from the 50s.